Now it doesn't look beautiful yet because the image is actually dropping down below the content and overlapping with content in another post. Now to describe what we're really trying to do, we want to make whatever box is being drawn around our content extend all the way, even if we have floated content on the inside. This can be kind of tricky to do if you're using just plain CSS, but luckily Drupal has a built-in style that we can use in order to achieve this effect called clearfix. So we need to take that style, that class, and apply it to each row here in the view's results. So let's go to edit the results again. So I'll click the cogwheel and edit view. And this time, because we're adding the style to the rows instead of the fields, we're going to hit settings next to format under the format grouping. And we have row class right here that we can work with. So we'll type in clearfix, C-L-E-A-R-F-I-X. All right, now let's click apply all displays and we'll click save. Okay, so now our images are floated over to the right of the content and they don't overlap each other at all. So this is looking near